Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to do the edges. I did the tutorial on how to crochet this motif, so I will put the link below. I believe I have 3 videos that I taped. So, I've been working on the projects that I was working on, whips. So I'm trying to finish them and it's going pretty good. So I came back to this and I finished total of 4 balls of yarn, and 1 ball is going to be, I can't crochet because I don't have enough yarn to do another row. Okay, I'll just show you how it looks like so far. I know my tape won't, my video won't, like the screen is too big, the tablecloth is big. So what I did is I started with 1 motif and I went around and I did the second around and I finished it, and I used total of 4 balls, so 400 gram of this ball that I have used. This ball. And yeah, if I had, let's say, 3 more balls, I could have went the 3rd row around, and that would have been better, but I don't have enough yarn for this particular project because I only have 1 left, and 1 is not enough because 1 approximately crochets about 4.5 motifs of this of these motifs. Okay, so let's go back. What I did is I joined my last motif, and what I do is, it's very easy, and I tried to figure out, because remember in the tutorial I'm saying I only had 1 picture. One of my subscribers sent me only 1 picture, so I was trying to find how to do the edges, like how to finish it after joining all these motifs, and I thought this would be the best, and I think it looks elegant because the motifs are already gorgeous and I didn't want to show off the edges. So when you look at the this, you only see the motifs. Like, I know the edges are pretty enough, but I wanted the focus eye to look on the motifs, so I figured this edging, and I hope you like it. It's very easy and it looks nice. 2 ears that we make. Okay, so after joining, what I did is I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I leave the 2 chain, and on the 3rd, so I have total of 4 chains here, I just do a single crochet just like this, and I try to pull this, so then I chain another 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I come to the same spot and I make another single crochet, and I make these 2 ears rabbit ears, or I don't know what you call them. 1, 2, and then I do 2 chain and I come back and I go in between, and this is how it looks like. So it's very easy and simple. It's just to finish the look of the, you know, of the project that I'm working on. I am planning to put this on my Etsy shop. I believe it can be used as even a baby blanket or a lap blanket, because it's about 30. Yeah, it's not that big, but it's big enough. It's big enough, I believe. Let me just remeasure it. I haven't blocked it yet. Yeah, so it's about 36 inches circum. Okay, so yeah, I wish I had more yarn of this. I did, and I think I sold it. Yeah, it happens. Okay, so I chain 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry about that. I have this terrible cold. It's weather change coming back to Canada. This last 3 months I've been sick for twice now. Oh boy. And my husband has the same cold as I do. He started before I got the cold. It's just a nasty thing. 2, 3, 4 chain, and then come back where we did the single crochet. And we have crazy drivers in the neighborhood. So 1, 2 chain and come back in the middle. So again, I'll show it to you. So you chain 2. So the 2 is this 2 chain, and then you chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you come to the 3rd chain. Try to pull this. The reason I'm pulling it because I don't want it between, so it would be showing off. That's the reason I'm making this 2 ears. 3, 4. Chain. Okay, and we just go all the way around. That's all to it. It's very easy and simple. I just wanted to share because I've been getting messages, how do you do the edging? This is one of the methods. You can do anything you want, but I just wanted to focus on the motifs itself because these are gorgeous when you lay them down. And I think it looks nice, don't you think so? The edging, just simple and easy, and it doesn't attract focus eyes on the edging itself. It just goes, you just look straight to the motifs. That's all to it. So I hope you like this tutorial. It's a little short tutorial that I just wanted to share how to do the edging. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. I'm almost hitting 22,000. Yay! So happy. And I love to read your comments. I love them, and I usually put a heart when I read them. And if you don't see a heart, that means that I didn't have a chance to read it. Hopefully one day. Sometimes I miss. I noticed I saw a comment that was posted a couple of months ago, and I just saw it. I said, oh my goodness, how could I miss it? I believe YouTube doesn't send you notifications. I don't know how that happens, but I do miss. If I miss, I do apologize. And again, thank you very much for watching my tutorials. And you have a great crocheting day. Enjoy!